It's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here, beautiful bit of kit, or maybe not beautiful, but bloody essential under your primary. You got primary chain. Okay, these are good quality, ultimate chains. You can see here, made by Diamond, I believe. But these particular sprockets are very old. These are around about 30-40 years old, so they are original top quality. This one here is an FXR. It's a 24 tooth, I believe. And we also do a 21 and a 22 if you want to change your gear in. But obviously you will need a corresponding chain to match that. But anything that you need, whether it's, you know, the full primary set, we keep all the gaskets, transmission gaskets, everything in. We also keep pretty well everything you're ever going to need for your Harley. If you're interested in any great primary parts, we do belt drive upgrades. This is obviously a chain. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.